Are you going to show me your camper?
My camper.
Okay. Can you give me the tour?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show me your room?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go look at your room. Is that going to be your bed? Where are you going to keep your toys and your clothes? Right there?
No.
Oh, you have toys in there already? Some chalk? Yeah.
Oh, big goose. Oh, big goose.
So these are kind of bigger, normal twin-size beds on the left side. And then on the right are kind of skinny little bunk beds. And there's her storage area.
Open.
Hold on, baby. I gotta give Mimi the rest of the tour. Here's the potty. Hi. It's a shower. Kind of hard for me to get far enough back here for you to see, but has a little tub so we can wash the ladybird in there. Whoop. And I just stepped on her. So back up. Bunch of storage right there. Dinette. Couch. We can get a good look at the upholstery. Might not have been my very first choice, but it's not horrible. So then if I back up, you can see the other side. Oops. So there's a big spot for the TV. And there's the kitchen. Uh-oh, you fell down?
Yeah.
You okay? And back here behind the TVs, the queen bed. It's a little messy looking right now. Sorry. Got lots of good storage. And these doors shut on both sides of the TV so we can close that room off. And that is it. Welcome to your winter vacation home.